Pag kumikita ka ng pera at eksakto lang sa sarili mong needs, sa family's needs mo, actually, that's selfish. Kasi di mo natutulungan yung ibang tao, yung church mo, yung community mo, yung family mo. Sakto lang eh. Hindi ko pwedeng i-share sa iba kasi sakto lang. So, if you're earning just enough, actually, that's selfish. If you want to be unselfish, make a lot of money para yung money na kine-create mo, you can share it to anyone na nangangailangan ng help natin. Diba? That's the purpose of earning more money.
He will share to you what made him decide to give up his career during pandemic and become a full-time financial advisor. So please welcome Mr. Adrian Mercado.
Alright, so good morning everyone. Morning, gutom na ba? So, magtataka kayo, but good morning kasi sa financial advisor industry, we say good morning. So, yan, so good morning sa inyo. So in today's session, what will I share to you is yung Manulife journey ko so far. So, I've been in the industry for 4 years pa lang. So, i-share ko sa inyo, ano ba yung naging result ko for the last 4 years. And what made me decide na mag-join sa industry for good as a full-time advisor. Okay? But before we start, so para lang, ano ba yung pag-uusapan natin today? Ano ba yung topic natin? So, i-share ko lang sa inyo, ano ba yung magiging goal ng aking sharing for this session. So, ang first goal natin is for you to discover ano ba yung itsura or result if I join Manulife and if I become successful here. Para may idea kayo, okay, nag-join ako, okay, I make it work, ano yung itsura niyan, ano yung result, okay? And lastly, pag nakita niyo yung result, you will find out naman if yung pagiging Manulife Financial Advisor is something that you can see as your career calling. Okay, so okay ba sa inyo yung 2 goals natin for this night? Yes, okay. So yan. But may ground rules lang ako. Okay lang ba? May rules tayo for my session today. So ang first rule ko is feel free to express your emotion. Meaning na it's okay for you to express excitement. Kung gusto nyo magtatatalon dyan, magpalakpak, sumigaw, hagis yung upuan, that's perfectly fine. Okay ba yon? Even the emotion of magalit ka. Diba? Parang against ka nun sa sinabi ko. That's perfectly fine. I-express nyo lang din yan. Okay ba yon? Okay. Then, second, when one claps, we all claps. Okay ba yon? Let's say may isang audience dito na natuwa siya dun sa sinabi ko, napapalakpak siya. Papalakpak tayo lahat. Okay, so pwede ba tayo mag-example? Yan, okay. Same thing din. Let's say napasigaw, napahiyaw. Okay lang din yung pag may humiyaw na isa, ihiyaw tayo lahat. Alright? And lastly, very important, wala mo ng phones. Okay? Unless, kung itatag nyo ako dun sa social media ko. Okay? So, i-ano nyo ako, yung social media handle ko is @financialcoachadrian. Alright? So, yan. So, that's my ground rules. So ito, sino ba ako? Who is Adrian? So, ito yung goal ko for me joining Manulife. So, I'm a husband and a father of 3. So, I have my kids, 2 kids, then may isa kami paparating na baby girl, and of course, with my beautiful wife. So ito yung mga reasons ko for why I joined this industry. Okay? Then, as a Manulife Financial Advisor, minsan kasi when we think about financial advisor, parang boring naman yung ginagawa mo, bebentahan mo yung ganito, ganyan. But here, being a Manulife Financial Advisor, we actually do cool things. Diba? Mainly, ang purpose lang naman ng isang financial advisor is to educate people regarding the importance of insurance and financial planning. And by doing so, by product na lang, you get rewarded when you do your best. And syempre, we get to enjoy. Diba? Dito sa industry na to, hindi tight, hindi boring. Kasi we get to enjoy what we do. And in combination with that, of course, once you get rewarded, you also develop yourself. Diba? Yan. So, pang Instagram, di ba? Yung, yung picture. But the idea behind is, once you join here, you get rewarded dun sa mga efforts na ginagawa mo. You get to do something that will help you develop yourself. Okay? So yan. But, before I joined Manulife, hindi naman yan that's not always the case. As you can see, when I joined Manulife, nag-join ako dito 2020. Nung 2020, ano bang naalala natin? Diba? Sabay-sabay tayo sumagot pandemic. Pero, diba nung pandemic daw, maraming tao yung parang nalugi yung company nila, naging negative yung nangyari sa kanila during pandemic. Tama ba? And as we understand, diba? I understand bakit ganon. Pero for me, actually, nung pandemic, kasi I joined the industry 1 day before mag-lockdown. March 14 ba? March 20. Basta a day after nung lockdown na. So for me, yung pandemic actually is something that's life-changing to me. Parang mas naging ano siya, yung success ko financially and everything, nangyari nung pandemic. Okay? So we can say that ito si Pandemic Adrian. Si Pandemic Adrian ay naging successful, naging okay yung buhay niya during pandemic. But like I mentioned, that is not always the case. Kasi meet pre-pandemic Adrian. So yan. So bago ako mag-join na Manulife, yan si Adrian. Okay? So si Adrian, before he joined Manulife, so of course, he's broke. Parang laging kulang yung pera. Ba naranasan nyo ba yun? You earn income. 3 araw makalipas, nag-iisip ka na, saan ko na ulit kukunin yung panggastos ko? Diba? We are only, kumbaga mayaman lang tayo every 15th or every 30th of the month. Would you agree with that? Diba? At the same time, during those time na hindi pa ako Manulife advisor, I don't have goals, I don't have values, I have a lot of unhealthy habits na ginagawa during those times. Then feeling ko wala akong direction. Di ko alam ano bang purpose ko. 'Di ba? Sa ginagawa ko. Then napakarami kong vices noon. So before I joined Manulife, yan ako. And probably nakikita ko naman kayo, magaganda at gwapo kayo dito. Hindi naman ganito yung tsura nyo, pero probably baka one of those reasons, meron kayong reason why you join here. Maaring about finances. Let's say, di na kasya yung kinikita natin, you want to find something na pwede pa mag-add ng additional income, or minsan naman, hindi naman lahat ng tao, money ang drive nila eh, tama ba? Baka you already successful dun sa current industry na meron ka, and you want to find something that will challenge you, or you felt na yung work mo, yes, it's malaki yung income, pero you are just there for the sake of income. Diba parang every Monday, tinatamad ka na, ayaw mo nang pumasok. You're looking to do something that has purpose. Okay, so whatever might be your reason in here, the idea behind is you are looking if yung Manulife ba yung makakatulong sa'yo to eliminate that problem natin. Might it be finances or yung purpose natin sa buhay natin. Okay? So yan, so ito, isi-share ko lang sa inyo, ano ba yung nangyari sa akin for the last 4 years? Kasi me being a financial advisor, kumbaga bago pa lang ako sa industry. I still consider myself as newbie dahil napakarami ko pang dapat matutunan. So dito, although I'm just new in this industry 4 years pa lang, isi-share ko sa inyo, ano ba yung naging result ko nung I join here and I give all and I become a full-time financial advisor. Okay ba sa inyo yun? And let's see, baka one of these results makita nyo, mag-resonate sa inyo, gusto ko rin yan . So tingnan nyo, baka it might be the reason for you joining the industry. Alright? So yan. So first, of course, I get to travel for free with Manulife. So before ako nag-join kay Manulife, I never been in the airplane. Of course, number one reason is I don't have any money to travel, di ba? Instead of me allotting money sa travel, sa vacation, ang thinking ko kasi lagi, ano na lang, kesa ipambakasyon ko yun, lagay ko na lang sa emergency fund. or gamitin ko na lang for the needs. So ako yung travel or leisure, hindi ko siya talaga nilalaanan kasi mabibitin ako eh. Kumbaga wala akong enough fund to save for the goals, for my travel goals. So before I joined, hindi ko talaga yung plinano. Pero nung nag-join ako dito, this is the byproduct of the result that I have. So hindi ko naman na-expect na bibigyan ako ni Manulife ng free travel eh. So as you can see, nung April, this year lang yan, nag-travel kami sa Seoul. Okay, so tinatanong ako kanina ni Miss Jen, nung nag-travel ako, magkano ba inipon ko? So tama ba, minsan pag tayo nagpaplano ng travel natin, hahanap ka sa piso sale. Tama ba? Mapupuyat ka, makakuha ka lang ng murang booking. Then, maghahanap ka ng murang hotel. Right? Then, magbabahon ka ng cup noodles. Diba? Kumbaga, sa social media natin, ang gaganda ng picture natin, pero although we get to enjoy the country na pinuntahan natin, medyo di natin na ma-maximize yung experience kasi nagtitipid tayo, right? Pero by joining Manulife, walang tipid-tipid dito. You get to stay to a 5-star hotel, may pocket money ka pa, breakfast, lunch, until dinner, naka-buffet ka, ikaw na magsasawang kumain, kakain na naman. Then lahat ng pwedeng i-offer ng country na pupuntahan nyo, talagang susulitin ni Manulife yan, gagastosan yan para ma-experience nyo lahat. So ganong travel ang ating ma-experience here without spending any money. Diba? So ako dito, pwede nga ako sumama dyan nang wala talagang pera eh. Pero syempre, pasalubong, since Korea yan, kailangan natin laanan, di ba? So yan. So yan yung sa Korea. Di ba? Then next, yung sa Sydney, this year din. So nakadalawang travel ako this year, all expense paid by Manulife. So yung August naman is sa Sydney. So Sydney, napakamahal na country nung Australia. Diba? Kung ako lang ang mag-ipon, baka di ko pa kaya right now. Pero since si Manulife, talagang binigyan ako ng reward. So I get to experience yung Opera House. Diba? So dati nakikita ko lang sa postcard yan, sa internet. So doon, nakapagpa-picture na ako na hawakan ko pa yung scale. Diba? So that's experience na, kumbaga, nung maaaring meron kang country na gustong puntahan na yun yung bucket list mo, baka dito kay Manulife, maabot mo yan, ma-check mo yung isa sa bucket list mo. Alright? So sino dito yung gusto mag-join kay Manulife na, alam mo, gusto ko mag-join yan, baka makalibre ako ng travel eh. Sinong gusto? Of course, diba? Wala kang gagastusin, bagahe lang. May kilala nga ako, 500 pesos lang dala eh. Pero na-enjoy niya yung country na yon, 'di ba? Na-enjoy niya. So, talagang si Manulife, ako nang bahala sa iyo, kumbaga ganun ang pagpapamper na ibibigay sa atin. Okay, so let's say ayaw mo ng travel. And time freedom naman. 'Di ba? As you can see, nung ako nagwo-work, kumbaga ang focus ko talaga maka-earn ng income. Hindi na ako nakakapaglaan ng time ko to develop myself, to focus on my health, sa family ko, di ba? Pero by joining Manulife, kasi alam ko yung health is gusto ko pa mabuhay ng matagal para makasama ko yung mga anak ko. Okay, so kung hindi ako magkakaroon ng time na puro lang ako trabaho, baka yes, na-provide ko yung gusto ko for them, pero baka pag matanda na ako, hindi ko na kaya sumabay sa kanila. So by being a Manulife financial advisor, I have a time freedom to spend to the things that really matters. Right? Diba? Kumbaga, bilang magulang, ang gusto natin, sige, work, bibigay ko yung lahat, pero minsan di na tayo kilala ng kids natin. Diba? Pero me, when I join here, I can spend most of my time with my kids. Dati nung nag-work ako, aalis ako ng work, tulog yung anak ko. Uuwi ako from work, tulog na. Diba? Hindi na ako nakakapag-spend ng quality time to her. Pero right now, being a Manulife financial advisor, hawak ko yung oras ko, I get to spend it with them. I get to build experience with them. Diba? Close na kami ng mga anak ko. in comparison nung ako'y dati nagtatrabaho. So yan. So yung anak ko, ang commitment ko sa kanya ay hatid ko siya at sunduin ko siya from school. Nung employee ako, di ko magagawa yon. Pero right now, nagagawa ko siya. Without worrying kung saan ko kukunin yung income ko. Kasi yun na naman yung pumipigil eh. Gusto natin to spend time with our kids, with the things that we know that we have to spend on. Pero ang pumipigil is yung dapat gawin ko to kasi kailangan ko mag-earn eh. Sakripisyo ko muna yung experience ko with my kids. Tama ba? So kung yun yung something na gusto mong ma-achieve by joining Manulife, then this can be the vehicle for you to do it. Diba? Kasi once you understand the business, hawak mo na yung oras mo, pwede mong ilaan yung most of your time with the things that matters most and of course, and yung time natin with our family. Okay? So sino dito yung gusto ng time freedom? Wala may gusto. So yan, of course tayo, 'di ba? Gusto natin 'yan. And yan. So ito byproduct na lang ako kasi I take pride in what I do. And if you join the business, the more you take pride on what you do, the more you get more clients. Kasi mararamdaman ng client mo 'yan eh. Him versus kunyari, may kakausapin siya financial advisor, alam niyang medyo talagang yung hindi naman magtatagal. Versus you, ikaw kakausapin ka niya, then you, sa sarili mo, you know that you take pride on what you do. Byproduct na lang yan, yung get rewarded. And of course, ako napakatagal kong empleyado. I've been employed for 10 years. Yung reward siguro na binibigay sa akin, kasi ako, dati pa naman, I've driven na talaga. Talagang gusto ko yung ginagawa ko, yung output ko, I give my best. Nung employee ako, ang reward ko lang, good job. Nabukasan na, nakakalimutan na. Diba? Pero dito, talagang parang meron kang awards night para ka nasa PAMAS. Diba? Talagang i-reward ka ni Manulife. Sa sarili, may moment ka doon na ikaw yung akit ka na stage, ikaw na yung nasa stage. Diba? And if, let's say, hindi naman masama eh, diba, na ang purpose natin is, gusto natin to get rewarded, to be appreciated, walang masama doon. And if that's your reason, why not? Diba, you want to be appreciated dun sa good work na gagawin mo, on top of the additional income or monetary income na marireceive mo, why not? Diba? So just imagine, no? Ay, nawala ah. Ano ba i-play ito? Just imagine, guys. Hindi inaakala na may ganyan siyang moment doon. Di ba? So, kumbaga, this is something that, di ba, nakaka-proud kasi, number one, I joined the industry to provide for my family, the income they deserve, and to spend time for them. So, me, being awarded like that's nakakataba ng puso. Okay? So if that's your goal, alam mo, okay naman ako sa income eh. Okay din ako sa travel, pwede ko naman gastusan yan eh. Pero alam mo, gusto ko yung a company that will appreciate me. Then, Manulife can be that company na ma-appreciate tayo. Okay? So, sino dito yung gustong to get rewarded dun sa effort na binibigay nila? Of course, lahat tayo, di ba? And of course, yan. Again, 4 years in the industry, 2020, 21, 22, 24. So May 2024 was my 4th year. Pero in comparison dun sa work na ginawa ko for the last 10 years when an employee, kumbaga for me, ewan ko sa inyo, pero for me, yan na yung mga napundar ko pa unti-unti. So, being a Manulife financial advisor, I get to achieve my goals one step at a time. So, nung last year, yung sasakyan, very simple. Humiling kasi yung anak ko eh, pa nag-grocery kami, tricycle. Magmamall kami, Grab, ihintayin pa namin yung Grab. Pag nag-mall kami dyan, pauwi, ihintay din namin Grab. Minsan, nahirap magpabook. So, lagi na nagre-reklamo yung mga kids ko, pag mag-grocery, mainitan sila, tricycle lang. So me, kumbaga, if I'm an employee, tas ganun yung complaint ng anak ko, parang ang sakit for a father na hindi mo ma-provide. Diba? Pero here, being a Manulife financial advisor, nung may ganun ng sinasabi yung anak ko, kumbaga confident ako, sige nak, paghahandaan natin yan. Diba? So last year, napundar ko yan, yung sasakyan. Para sa kanila yan. Para kahit ganyan kasimple, hindi kami maghihintay ng Grab, mag-grocery kami, naka-aircon sila, hindi nila kailangan maglakad. Diba? And at the same time, yung bahay yan, paunti-unti na naming sinisimulan. Again, with the help of Manulife. I have the finances and the income and excess sa money para makapaglaan dyan sa mga ganyan, yung sa mga goals ko. Wherein nung employee ako, saktong-sakto lang doon sa gastusin namin. Okay, so let's say you're an employee, tapos nag-iisip ka na, nung tagal ko ng employee, pero yung goal ko 10 years ago, goal pa din. Diba? So kung ganun yung thinking mo, and you are here, then might as well try mo, baka ito na yung sagot dun sa prayers natin, na bigyan tayo ng opportunity to achieve our goals. Okay? So sino dito yung gusto mag-join kay Manulife para matulungan na ma-achieve yung goals nyo? Of course, lahat naman tayo, di ba? Si Manulife po nagbayad, fully paid ni Manulife yan. So, yun. So, ganun ka-generous si Manulife. So, yan. So, yung bahay naman, this year, pinuunti-unti rin namin. Okay? Alright. So, yan. So, of course, yung travel, Adrian, kaya ko yan eh. Yung sasakyan, meron naman akong sasakyan, naka-SUV nga ako eh. Yung sa time ko, may time naman ako eh. Wala nga lang income. Pero let's say, ang goal mo is to make money. Of course, walang masama doon. So here in Manulife, you can make an insane amount of money. I have a lot of colleagues na nakakasalamuha ko na kumpara dito sa kinikita ko, sobrang layo. Pero me, in my experience, being an employee for 10 years, I never earned 6-digit income for a 1-month salary. Pero here, yung 106,000, question, sa tingin nyo, gano'n ko siya katagal trinabaho? Pero gano'n ko tagal nagsibag? Kaya mo ng 1 week. Ito, isang cut-off. When we say cut-off, 2 weeks. Di ba? Like, financial advisor po ba kayo?
Kasi, based sa pagsasalita mo, parang napakagaling yung surprise.
Kunwari lang po to.
Financial advisor, no? Parang napakagaling mo. I was thinking, sabi ko, paano kaya nakagaling mag-convince?
Para malaman nyo po, kailangan nyo mag-join kay Manulife.
Hindi ganun ka-easy ang magtutulong
Tama po.
ng tao.
Tama po.
Pero knowing you, it's just a snap of your fingers.
Tama.
Magkakaroon ka ng idea.
Possible, opo. So yun. So yun. Posible po yun. So ito, 2 weeks po. Pero, itong gantong klaseng client, let's say, makahanap ka ng tao na they have the money, they can give you kahit 7-digit income at na-convince nyo, trinabaho nyo ng 2 days, possible po yan. Me, being an employee, kahit mag-OT ako, minsan OTY pa. Diba? So ito, kayang-kaya po natin yung i-earn yung money. Dito po may kasabihan na yung income mo, it's only limited dun sa imagination natin. Ikaw pwede mag-write ng sarili mong check. Diba? So, another example pa. So, yan. So, that's the first time na nag-earn kami ni wife ng 6-digit, January 2023. Inaabangan namin yan. Parang medyo late yung hapon na naibigay na credit. Nung na-receive namin ni wife, tama ba to? Parang dapat balik natin Kasi we are not expecting that type of income to be earned in 2 weeks. Okay? So if you're here, then let's say, ang goal mo, gusto ko ng another income, gusto ko unlimited income. Alam mo yun, I'm tired of working 8 hours pero ito yung income ko. Or I'm still working pero gusto ko additional income. Then Manulife can be that vehicle for you to achieve that insane amount of income. Okay, so sino po ba dito gusto ng pera? Siyempre lahat po tayo, walang masama po doon. Why? Kasi yung pera po na kikitain nyo, dapat nga po actually ako, for me, pag kumikita ka ng pera at eksakto lang sa sarili mong needs, sa family's needs mo, actually that's selfish. Diba? Kasi di mo natutulungan yung ibang tao, yung church mo, yung community mo, yung family mo. Diba? Sakto lang hindi ko pwedeng i-share sa iba kasi sakto lang. So if you're earning just enough, actually that's selfish. If you want to be unselfish, make a lot of money para yung money na kine-create mo, you can share it to anyone na nangangailangan ng help natin. Diba? That's the purpose of earning more money. Okay? So yan. So with that said, ang question ko ngayon, why not? Nandito na rin kayo, why not become a Manulife financial advisor? Ano pa kaya yung pumipigil sa atin? Diba? Ano pa kaya? So, exam, yung ano. Kasi, dalawa lang naman yan Dalawa lang yan. It's either you join or hindi ka mag-join. Punta tayo doon sa nag-join ka. Sige din, I'll try that. Pag nag-join tayo, dalawa lang naman ang result natin Diba? You joined and hindi naging successful. Alright? So, anong mawawala sa atin? At least you know, hindi para sa akin yan. I tried, Adrian, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, hindi para sa akin yan. Okay? So, hindi mag-work sa akin yan. So, you know, hindi mag-work yung Manulife for you. Okay? Let's say nag-join ka pero nag-click. Di ba? Nag-click, uy. Buti napahatak ako doon sa sa nag-invite sa akin. Buti kinulit ako. 'Di ba? So the only way for you to know kung magki-click is if you join. And let's say di ka nag-join. Ano kayang result? Ano yung result ng hindi pag-join? Isa lang ang result nun, hindi mo malalaman. Hindi natin malalaman. 'Di ba? Kasi ako, I believe that everything happens for a reason. You're not here in this room for na chamba lang. You're here kasi something is calling you, 'di ba? Kumbaga minsan pinagpe-pray natin, gusto natin ng magandang buhay, ma-achieve yung goal natin, magkaroon tayo ng magandang bahay. Pero minsan we are answered through opportunities. And this might be the opportunity na binibigay sa atin to answer those prayers. Okay? So yan. So yun lang. So ako, since nandito na kayo, try it. Try it. 3 months. Okay, di nag-work. Extend ko pa kaya ng 6 months. Okay? Malay mo 7th month mag-work. Okay? So that's my challenge to you. So nandito na kayo, why not try it? Okay? Kasi ako, ito yung favorite quote ko Okay? So mediocrity holds us back. Pero yung success is ours to claim. And yung transformation kasi is just a decision away. Diba? The moment you take control of your life. Okay? So I hope na yung most of us here, if not everyone here, join the industry. Okay? So yan. So that's it for me. So thank you. So let's say you want to connect and yung aking social media handle. Okay? So thank you.
Thank you.
Ayan, so